May I just say na, well, damo gid nga salamat for welcoming me to come here with my team to listen and moving forward to be guided by you sa pagbalik ko sa pagiging chair ng Senate Committee on Health. I'm so happy and so excited. Since it's been 9 years since I was for a few months chair of this committee. And now I'm very excited na ituloy full force. Well, yung at least pagganap ng legislative part ng trabaho nating lahat to realize the promises of universal healthcare. Kasi andun naman na yung parang Magna Carta o yung Biblia natin, di ba? The Universal Healthcare Law. And we have our template according to WHO, the 6 pillars. So, meron tayong macro, meron din tayong micro or piecemeal per pillar. And it's so exciting to begin with the service delivery network with the government or public hospitals, the regional centers at that, na napaka-essential ng papel sa service delivery network na yun. And of course, you have also your health human resources here. You interact with the PhilHealth, etc. Meron po kaming binuong agenda for, we call it lang, the first 100 days between now at saka Christmas Eve, na gusto naming i-accelerate pa yung pagpapatupad ng implementation and also problem solving sa bawat pillar ng UHC system na gusto nating ma-realize. And i-convene ko na rin po finally yung Joint Congressional Oversight Committee on UHC para to provide that those oversight inputs dun sa day-to-day work ng komite. So really, thank you so much, Doktora, and mga kaupod for helping send my committee and my office working hard in the committee on the right track. And sana in the next, well, if I remain chair for the next 3 years, we really hope we can be very useful, very helpful, kapaki-pakinabang sa ating mga pasyente and lahat po ng stakeholders sa health system. So, sa liwat damo gid nga salamat sa inyong tanan.